Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to download and install the Intel High Definition Audio Drivers on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up a web browser of your choice. So kahit anong web browser yung pwede natin gamitin. In the next step, ay open lang natin ang Google Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa searching address bar, ay kailangan mo lang i-type ang Intel High Definition Audio Driver. And then press mo lang yung enter. And the next step ay, pakita mo kaagad dito yung Intel and then tong realtek High Definition Audio Driver for Windows. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong link na to. And then madirect tayo dito sa Intel homepage. And the next step is scroll down. At makita mo dito yung available download. So i-click mo lang tong download dito. And then nandito yung kanyang Intel Software License Agreement. So pwede mong basahin dito. And the next ay kailangan mo lang i-tap to I accept the terms in the license agreement. So i-click lang natin dito. And then wait natin. Ayan. So automatic na download na siya. And then i-click mo lang dito sa download. Alright. And the next step dito sa download, scroll down at select mo lang dito yung setup. Alright. Ito siya. So dito sa setup, kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then wait natin. Okay, so preparing to set up. Alright. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong next. Alright. And then click mo tong next. And then wait lang natin. So ayan, makikita nyo na install wizard complete. And then realtek setup program will install audio driver automatically after reboot. So kailangan lang natin mag-restart. And the next step ay click mo lang yung yes, I want to restart my computer now. Okay, so ganyan lang kasimple kung paano mag-install ng Intel High Definition Audio Driver. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.